Did you know that Jamaica is the only place where the Prime Minister's wife is the Speaker of the House at the same time? Let that sink in for a minute. Right now, Jamaicans everywhere are crying out for Juliet Holness to step down as Speaker immediately. Why? Because she is the wife of the Prime Minister, and people feel that makes the entire system look biased, unbalanced, and unfair. From ordinary Jamaicans online to voices like Spragga Benz, people are saying this has to do nothing with politics, not green, not orange, but simple righteousness. They're calling it a national takeover, where too much power seems to sit under one roof. Some Jamaicans are even saying if they were PNP members of parliament, they wouldn't attend certain meetings because when the speaker is married to the prime minister, every decision looks questionable, even if it's legal. And here's a bigger picture. Here's the real situation. In almost every democracy around the world, from Canada to the UK, to India, to America, Australia, the speaker and the prime minister are never husband and wife. Or the speaker and the president is never husband and wife. Because democracy depends on independence. It depends on trust. And it depends on the appearance of fairness, not family ties. Legal? Yes. Wise? That's another story. Because Jamaicans doesn't need leadership. Jamaica needs trust. And trust disappears the moment power becomes a family affair.
I have a reason to crash out. Why my friend lose her work? Because she and her man are man enough. None of boy what she did with her work. A sneak round with her man. Why? She have her man working at the same place as she and them fire her. Them fire her, you know. And I like them there. Pan the building, I do nothing. I link up with them one another, nothing. Then just here. Say it two of them. I two of them there. And them fire her. But yet Juliet Holness in a parliament with her husband. So the average Jamaican cannot work with them partner in the same workplace. But Andrew Holness and his wife can. What make a rule different for parliament? Why? Hey, listen to me. Make my friend get back her work at Jamaica. You hear me? I tell her no. Make she get back her work because she was a very valuable worker.
Hey guys, welcome back once again. If it was the first time you come across my video, I humbly request don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. Okay guys, some critics in Jamaica have questioned whether a husband and a wife holding powerful political roles at the same time creates concern about influence or fairness. Supporters however argue she was elected by voters, so she had the right to serve. And the question is, Jamaican political scene is exploding. A Jamaican activist has just dropped a bombshell accusation against the government of Andrew Holness, calling it one of the most corrupt administration in years. But what really has people talking is the role of his wife Juliet Holness inside Parliament. Should the Prime Minister wife really hold political power at the same time? Kindly watch this clip to the end and then I'll be back with more comments.
And you give your friend them, you associate them and who you want to give. And the leftovers, you pick out what you want to pick out, go give your supporters them. You're not distributing the aid how it's supposed to distribute. Someone want to know who will land pan the aid them. Mr. Honest, where are the 350 sleeping tents that Japan donate? I know we don't see them. From we see a shake and for them we don't see them back again. Where are the 14,000 sleeping bags, Mr. Holness? Liar thiefing man. Where are the sleeping bags? Where are the tents? Where are the 419 water purifiers? We don't see none of them. Come talking about Madam Speaker, Madam Bigfoot. Oh no, this damn Madam Speaker get to my man. There's no respect in that house. No, Madam Speaker, she's Bigfoot. The whole on a thief over there. And by the way, when is it that you're going to come out and ask Bigfoot for table the 12 illicit thief? They make we know who. Listen, as taxpayers, we're entitled to know who are the 12 illicit criminals who have over there and hide and call them up. But Mr. Honest, revelation brewing. Revolution brewing. My God, this man come jumping up with a tantrum. All members who get aid to deliver to the people. Mr. Honest, shut up. Shut up, or you have the one of the things them hide up. Darrell Vale say a 300 plane load of food come to Jamaica. And all know when I say one somebody with a show. I know I don't see one person that show one foreign food. You and your colleague them have the one of the foreign food them hide up and a thief up and a strap for go open supermarket. You know, lie and thief over the boat. Them have a system now in place and you're very happy to show what comes in and what goes out. I found a thief on for thief already. I'm confused. I am confused. Go fix up your moral, man, and fix up on yourself. You know, a criminal over there, so we don't trust you people. There's no trust, no thief, or no lie. But everything that ministers get aid for giving when they go demands that they give. We want the tent them and the sleeping bag them. And we want the 400 and add water purifier. We want everything on add up the things them and all and the things them and talking about ministers all and your ministers all and the things. You guys are evil and crooked, thief, sticky finger, shut up. How is it that we taxpayers are paying you people? And we can't know who is the 12 illicit thief we left over there. On the table, on one table, on just sit down and have a sit down and linger like that. We need to know who are the 12 illicit thief them over there. We have an idea who they are already, but we want to know what is taking so long for you guys to table this document so we can know who they are. This is getting out of hand. We're paying them. Our tax dollars paying them. We deserve to know who they are. Talking about unfair and malicious attempt to destroy government. Who is unfair and as malicious as you? Criminal. Huh? You sign the code of conduct? You declare your status? Huh? Liar? Criminal? Who is maliciously unfair and thief like you? Everything where you do it maliciously or intentionally. No one is maliciously or intentionally trying to ruin the government. You already ruined the government with your lies. Your sticky finger and not holding your thieving ministers them accountable. That is enough intentional, malicious behavior we want to have towards the Jamaican people. But we are intentionally, maliciously attacking the government. The government a thief, on a thief over there. On a thief.
The girl will get burned up. The time when I give her money for go do surgery, only give the money towards the one way in a jail so she can get a good lawyer to defend herself. Because that's what she was doing. When the one will get burned and all that sister go up there. Woman still walk a fight of a man. Them beat up the girl like the week before and stab her in her face. And them left from them yard and go back up there because them feel like, okay, me beat you already, me can beat you again. And go up on the girl work location. Figure beat her again. Gas them blood clot and light. Them only have put it by the two of them, you gas and light out them blood clot. Because them a junk crow. Woman still walk a fight over cocky. If my man a look at woman and me know say him and her fuck, me now go to the girl. The only way she will get two out of my cutlass and if she open her mouth to me. But him a lick out for him blood clot make we fight if I saw be the case and I walk away gracefully. Depends the mood of me in when me find out. So you know walk and fight no girl over no man because they make something that don't make no sense. Because if I not share somebody else, because them a dirty man nowadays, them cannot tame and them lie. And when them a look them tell say, boy you know me have a woman and me have, but me and him know nothing. Or you know so me not really in a relationship, or we it complicated. Them a drunk here was say them a man, them wicked and lie. So therefore you know walk and fight no girl over no man. And boy, take up yourself, you're your big dirty sister, and go to no go and beat girl. And beat girl. I say, me sorry, say they never burn, you never burn to blood clot ashes. The people them are good money, not for good no blood clot money, they must give money to the girl. She get one Peter Champagne on them good top lie, they for defend her. Cause a self-defense, on the dog shit or no. And I see next sister, she come bout she a beg money. And this and that, you never tell a sister them, every tap walk and fight for man. Like you all on a grass night, and the mama is so walk and fight over cocky too. I sorry say she never lied out to all on a blood clot and make no dead on a shit house.
Yo, you see, on a boy with the Batman face and the Batman heart, on the need for come down now here and stop living that illusion and confusion and start living on the truth, youth, and stop take girl pick the for idiot. But you see a girl like me, where a real G, uno coulda never treat me. Yeah? And you say uno man too, I tell lies on the street and I try to justify things kind of literally not have sex with man. But then I have man a back on the face and I suck on the hood. I'm here to tell you that you are gay. So please stop playing. You are that way. Okay? Uno ladies, uno need for stop enable them boy. I don't mix up lifestyle. Pick up all of the girl them when I chew money. I sleep with no boy we funny. All of my real G them when I sex not chicks with dicks. Gonna tell me how me sound.
Have your belief in principle. Does that mean that as Prime Minister,
look at this. Somebody come look at this.
then follow through on those principles?
Yes, my
Either
principle.
amend the
Look at
law
this.
if necessary and ensure, in fact, that the dipping into the piggy bank doesn't occur.
And I tell you why.
That's a commitment.
It stands as a commitment.
No, it wasn't any mistaken language when Michael Manley said it is the financial institution of the housing sector. Because effectively, this is where poor people would put their money, save it with that institution to get housing. We will bring down the interest rates on mortgages, but we will use the NHT money to build housing rather than to take it back to go pay the IMF. Your money that you save for house should be available to you to build house, repair your house, improve your house, and buy land.
When I tell you this is some bullshit, this is some bullshit. This is some bullshit.
Who really do crime with that money?
Enrichment. My straight answer is that I have asked as far and as wide. I have gotten that response from everyone. But as far as I have been told, no. People have been written to, as the Integrity Commission does almost daily. But I have not heard of anyone in my political party being written to for this matter of illicit enrichment.
Lie!
What has been done with each person coming out and saying, no, I haven't been written to? Who genuinely can say that they are telling the truth?
The Integrity Commission, the Prime Minister, the opposition leader.
Really?
Mr. Holness, sir, I'm tired and I'm going to my bed, but I have to say this before I go to my bed, Mr. Holness. So, Mr. Holness, sir, like all persons in the diaspora not coming home to breed, and we were there now breed, you're finally going to import the man them in the country to come breed the woman them? Because last year when I make a video about it, sir, them say I was losing my mind. I'm a crazy. But true, I realize that they're not looking for truth. They're only looking for lies. I hope you make them know, Mr. Honest, if you make them know to say, if them have 3 pitney, 4 pitney, them are going to get tax return. No matter how much pitney you have, you're going to get tax return. And the trick is, those who don't have any children won't be getting any tax return. So the more you breed, the more tax return you get. You tell them, Mr. Holness, sir, tomorrow may I go to bed. Mr. Holness, good morning, sir. Mr. Holness, get your coffee and come right here, so come sit down. Look a liar thiefing man. May I go show you how you're wicked to the Jamaican people and wicked to the country. And then these idiots out here are celebrate your pay increase. May I show you something, Mr. Holness? Mr. Holness, in 2009, when Bruce Golding was Prime Minister, his pay was 4.7 million. Okay? $4.7 million. Taxpayers was pulling out of their pockets to pay Bruce Golding when he was Prime Minister. All right. The minute you jump in, your pay become $9.16 million, Mr. Holness. Come back again. May I show you something, Mr. Holness? When Portia Simpson Miller was there from 2012 to 2016, her pay was $7 million per month. Okay? From 2012 to 2016, her pay was $7 million per month. Now, Mr. Holness, may I go show you how you're devious. Right? Every God Almighty here, you raise your pay. And when I want to cut the long story short, I go so bam and research the highest paid Prime Minister within the Caribbean. And you, Mr. Tiffin Lyad Holness, is the highest paid Prime Minister within the Caribbean. May I go show you some simple little things. Trinidad and Tobago Prime Minister getting $87,847 per month. Okay? Barbados Prime Minister getting 87,000 per month. Right? Bahamas Prime Minister getting 86,000 per month. Jamaican Prime Minister getting 28.5 million per month, which can mount up to, in USD dollars, it can be 180,000 USD dollars or 190,000 USD dollars based on the exchange rate. No, Mr. Holness, why your pay have to be 200,000 USD dollars? What is it that you're doing to the Jamaican people? I remember when you came out, and said the political class can work and give good result with the money that they were getting, But you know what? You guys was doing a better job back then when you did get the 9 million, because guess what happened? You was good at lying to the people for run behind you. You was doing a good job to lie to us and con us to run behind you. And since you start to raise the pay, every God Almighty here, more on the raise the pay, and more on the thief, and more the lie, and more on the wicked. What sense does it make? Where is the love that you have for the Jamaican people? Where is it? And then I see people out here say, yes, congratulations, Mr. Prime Minister, you deserve a raise of pay. Them deserve a conk in them forehead. Them not have no damn sense. How can our Prime Minister be the highest paid of all the Caribbean and him not do shit? Look how much months now hurricane gone and people still out the door. The other day, I see 2 labor right. One show a check for 200,000, one show a check for 75,000, and them have on them green clothes and them green ribbon. So this thing that you're doing, you're sabotaging the people, and you go way down to Westmoreland, go pick out 2 labor right, give one of them 75,000 and give one of them 200,000, and everybody else down there I get $39,000. Liar, wicked man. Let me tell you something, Mr. Holness. Your days are coming. Your days are come. This is a way to show you up, and I have no regret for the things that we have to go through, because guess what happened? We have to go through these things to prove how evil and wicked you is. Okay? I always hear about the Jamaica Labour Party, but I think so need to have one leader where I come change the course. I never know say the whole no wicked and thieves, so I never know that. Look what you come and do to the Jamaican people. Alright then, act like you love the people then, Mr. Holness, because what if people homeless and needy? Act like you love the people them then, and do the honorable thing. Direct 3/4 of your paycheck, your $28.5 million, direct it to the needy and the people who are poor. Try like you're nice, act like you're nice, and act like you do the you like the Jamaican people them, and do that and beat Mr. Golding if you're bad. Do that and beat Mr. Golding if you're bad, because remember what Mr. Golding did. Mr. Golding opposed against the raise of pay. Remember, I know the man opposed against it, and you still push it on him. From everybody pay raise, his pay naturally have to raise, but what he does, him not take it, him direct 3/4 of it. 80% of Mr. Golding pay is going to the needy every month, and we have evidence and proof of that. Do that and beat you if you're bad, liar, thief, and wicked man, where act like you like the Jamaican people. And people out here are talking about, oh, you deserve it, you deserve it. So you see, this is what I'm showing you. You deserve a big salary to punish the people them more. The more your salary raise, the more on the thief, and the more on the lie. And the more you're not hold nobody accountable. Highest paid Prime Minister within all the Caribbean. But at the end of the day, lowest paid minimum wage workers in all the Caribbean. You're just doing for yourself. You don't give a shit about the people. And people come talking about you're best 1 PM, you're the best thief, the best liar, the best wicked, the best Lucifer, the best everything that is bad. Dangerous. You're pathologically mendacious. You, Mr. Holness. Jesus have mercy, man. How the hell will come by?
Hi guys, welcome back once again. I really hope you heard the full clip, and my question is, should the Prime Minister's wife really hold political power at the same time? And we've all seen some Jamaicans worry about the too much power inside one family. Critics say it may create conflicts of interest, and ask whether it gives the Prime Minister too much influence in the government decision. And some people believe it looks less like democracy and more like a political family dynasty. And we've all seen that Parliament should be independent from the Prime Minister family. Political leadership should be spread among different people. And we've all seen Juliet Holness was elected by voters, and this are the thing that's maybe confusing a lot of people. And we've all seen, so the country is now split between two questions: is this democracy, or is it too much power concentrated in one household? And we've all seen that the activity has also claimed the government is too corrupt. We've all seen how a lot of Jamaican people that really came out in line number saying of how this anti-wellness government is so corrupt, accusing the leadership of ignoring the struggles of ordinary Jamaicans. Ordinary Jamaicans are really struggling, while the politicians, they're just enjoying their full life. They're keeping money into their pockets, traveling everywhere, while the ordinary Jamaicans struggle. Say politicals elite are out of touch with the people. And we've all seen this, the local people are the ones who choose the politician. And whenever these politicians are being elected, they usually forget their role. They usually forget what they promised to the local people. We have all seen job opportunities in Jamaicans, high unemployment rate, and these are the things that are really making a lot of Jamaicans to be so much furious. We've all seen many Jamaicans care about. We've all seen issues many Jamaicans care about is that cost of living, jobs, crime rate, and economical inequality. We've all seen how crime rate is increasing in Jamaica, and the reason why crime rate usually increase in any other country, not only Jamaica, is because of high unemployment rate. Youths, they don't have jobs to do. This is the reason why they prefer to go and maybe steal from people. And we've all seen economic inequality, how the cost of living is really rising. And this is really creating a lot of attention, because people are saying that we really elected these people, but they are not doing jobs according to the will of people. And when people are struggling to pay bills, political controversy become even more explosive. We've all seen, should family members serve in government together? I have never seen in any country a family member serving in the same government. Does it weaken trust in leadership? Yes, of course, it usually weaken, and or it's simply democracy at work. We've all seen this debate isn't just about one politician. It's about what kind of leadership Jamaican want for their future. Jamaican want a leader who will care for their problems, who will stand for them. They want a leader like President of Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore. They want such a kind of a leader who will defend them, who will defend their resources, who will defend them at any cost. And we've all seen. So what do you think if Jamaicans should, what do you think in this video, my Jamaican brother and sister? Should Juliet Holness remain in parliament while her husband Andrew Holness leads the country, or should political family step aside to protect public trust? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And we've all seen how a lot of people, a lot of Jamaicans that really came out in line about that. So much furious with this government. They're saying Andrew Holness government is too corrupt, because there's no way you can take your wife to be in parliament. There's no way you can work in the same parliament while you sleep in the same bed, you stay in the same house. And this is the really thing that's really making a lot of Jamaicans to be so furious, and they're saying that we really need this government to change. And this is the reason why they say that Andrew Holness, you need to step down. They really need another leader. They really need a leader like Ibrahim Traore, a leader who knows what his people really want. We have all seen how Burkina Faso, they are moving at a very high pace. They are constructing roads, they are constructing hospitals, they are constructing factories to make the youth work, so that at least the youth can't be idle, maybe to go and maybe start stealing from people. Burkina Faso, they really make sure that crime rate in Burkina Faso, it has been avoided. Why? They are building roads, they are constructing factories to make the youth to be busy. And this is the reason why, or these are the things the American people want Andrew Holness to do to his people. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. And if it was the first time you come across my video, I humbly request, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. Thanks so much for your time. Let me see you in the next clip.